Today, we are going to learn the one-arm push-ups. This is the one of the most iconic calisthenic move. Today, I'll show you exactly how you can learn this, even if you're a complete beginner. Before you try one-arm push-up, make sure you have the strong foundation. So, before doing the one-arm push-up, make sure you can do at least 30 clean push-ups and 5 to 10 diamond push-ups. If you can't do this yet, pause the video and work on this first. Now, let's break down the progression. First, you have to start with the incline one-arm push-ups. When you start to feel easy, move on to the negative reps. Lower down your arms slowly. And when you reach the ground, push yourself back with both of your hands. Do this 10 to 15 times for 3 sets. Next, one-arm push-up is mostly about balance. Keep your legs wide apart. This will give you the better balance and will help you perform better. Now, another exercise you can do is assisted one-arm push-up. Use the fingertips of other hand, 3 sets of 10 reps. Slowly, day by day, when you start to feel comfortable doing these 3 exercises, you will now finally be able to do the one-arm push-up. You may not learn this in a single day, but if you stay consistent, you will definitely learn this in a single week. Thanks for watching.